everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys coupons to print. Now I haven't even looked at them yet, but what I do is I go through swag books. Now I will be doing a lot of videos over the next couple weeks of how to get free money for the holidays, you guys, so be prepared for that. But I just want to get you guys kind of started. If you guys don't have swag bucks, you can sign up. In order to print the coupons, I know you got to go to a PC or computer to do it. So what you guys would do is just sign up on Swagbucks. I do have a referral link below. If you guys click my referral link, you guys end up getting money. So every 1,000 points every 100 points I think is $1. 1,000 points is $10. So just giving you guys a heads up. So every 100 points you get, that comes out to be $1. So how to find the coupons? You guys want to go to shop, and then you guys want to click grocery store coupons, and then this will take you directly to the website so you guys can print it. Now these are from coupons.com, so either you go to coupons.com to print these or you go to Swagbucks. I go to Swagbucks because right now it looks like you get $1 or you get 1 point for every coupon that you print. So, and then they have it where you get 25 swag bucks for every coupon redeemed, but I don't know if that's for specific grocery stores or if you can use it at Walgreens or CVS. But here are the new coupons that they added. Now they also had a lot of coupons that did reset, like the Kellogg's reset, the Nivea in-store body wash, the scrubbing bubbles, $1 off at 2, a lot of these reset. Now they added some Rachel Ray, $3 off that, $1.50 off of that. I'm not going to print any of that stuff unless I see some good deals. And I am working on printing a printer coupon or printer video for you guys too. Rachel Ray, Celestial Tea, $1 off at 2, L'Oreal Paris. Now here they got some Chic razors. I'm going to print these off anyways, even though I'm sorry, I get the hiccups. I said we got them in the inserts, but sometimes they have different days that last a little bit longer. Here's a hot coupon, $2 off Garnier Whole Blends. Here we got Land of Frost, Lumify. Lumify is a pretty decent deal, but I've noticed that they're kind of expensive. So if you can get a better deal at sometimes. $2 off Persil. Here we got $1 off Playtex. $1 off Purex, $2 off Aveeno baby product, Sargento cheese, $2 off of one, or $1 off of one. Sorry, like goes down. $3 off of 2 Dove. Now I do know there are some deals with that at Walgreens right now if you spend so much. Airborne, $1 off of one, $1.50 off of Starbucks coffee. Otherwise, not a lot of coupons available, you guys. It's kind of sad, but that's fine. You know, it's good to have sometimes a slow week. So let's just see what else there is. Now there was some new coupons that popped up the other day. And here we got $4 off Talente, and then here we got $1.75. So I printed those off. They also have 50 cents off of the little mini can, so I printed that off, and then the Let Me Shine, and then I'm just printing that off also. But I know they added the $2 off the Playtex and Snickers, so those are my coupons that I am printing. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.